Eclairs.
Okay.
That is Eclairs.
Okay, everybody.
It's Eclairs.
You should have brought it.
Who cares?
Oh, come on.
Okay, what's the...
Come on.
Okay, wait. Huh?
Where's the box of the chocolate?
Nah.
Because she's in the
wait. Nah. Wait,
I don't know my vote.
Well, I found the macaroons and they were melted in an Eclair packet.
At least you had it. At least you had it. That's all that matters.
You know what you guys vote? Which one?
Honestly, I like both, but presentation-wise, it was
Because it's Claire's recipe.
no, the gold is
So which one?
attractive.
So if I two Eclairs.
Now keep it running. I want to be there rectal with.
Go around. Who's next?
Kathy's vote is like
I'm
good,
worth
so like, I think it's
Wait, come on. Let's make this one like look nice.
Hell!
Like make get some people, son. Yeah, I'll put some.
I'm doing. You hold this one.
Come on, who won, man? I want to know.
Melissa, who won?
You're losing. Why is everyone sit down for?
oh my gosh.
She clicked your laptop. Who votes for this one?
Hey!
Hey!
Because it's
Three!
Because it's
Which one?
Wait, can you
Five!
sit down?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, mate. Sorry, I forgot it was your Garrett.
Alright. Alright. Categories. I couldn't So I need your help. Categories. Sentimental, probably goes to this one.
Probably.
Because she cried and said, oh, I spent 2 hours more than it. Blah, 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 blah. Georgia follows me lollies. And this one wins the People's Choice Award. Because
Lovely.
but the overall is down to you guys.
Overall!
Who gets the overall?
Thanks so
Overall. Security, sit down.
Beautiful.
Sit down, please. Sit down. This isn't your garage.
Oh!
We have a late entry.
Oh!
We need a first place. There's always a problem. There's always a problem. From the
Let's vote.
Thank you very much.
Alright, late entry.
It looks like one by one.
Who wins the inside joke? Inside joke.
It's a joke inside.
Everyone's disqualified. Okay, hands up for this one. Hey, shush, hands up for this one. If you make one, you can't vote.
Me. Let's go. Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
No, you can't vote. You
No, wait, hands up again. Hands up. Yeah, you should be ashamed of yourself. Okay, that's 5. How many?
Whoa, don't even go there.
What did you say? 1 by 1.
And we went to the
Oh, you just got a lolly out.
Who is for this one?
Yeah, I do.
Me!
I vote for
Me!
Oh, can I not vote for someone else? How about for me?
I got
And who is for this one?
Can I vote? Because no one else will. I don't want to vote. I'll vote for myself.
No, elections are love, but it's clear.
Yeah.
The winner by you.
That's right.
Handshake. Handshake.
I want the guy.
Give me that.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Very good, man.
I'm never making you all anymore.
Just like.
I'm gonna get careful.
And butter one.
Then don't eat it.
The heck?
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're gonna get Chesney and that.
Yeah.
Stand in
She was much
I'll show you.
Yeah. I just like the shopping. The shopping.
Guys, shoot first.
Go.
Let me bring the picture about Mandy, okay?
Don't go.
Whoa, I don't know what
At 1 point.
Yeah, you go there. Do you trust me? Do you trust me?
Yeah, and the reason
I trust you.
I don't trust you.
Oh wait, you might wanna.
Get us in.
Oh my god,
No, don't. I know you will get us in.